Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has identified quantum computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.70. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have realized an impressive gain of 98.34% since we first recommended quantum computing as a buy candidate 33 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.98% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and expansive upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 127.05% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 86.66% to 204.29%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 75.70%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 11.50% to positive 245.43% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $14.82 and $57.83. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, "Significant movements in Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, shifting 12.1% between high and low." The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price decreased by 4.48% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, falling from $17.53 to $16.74. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.1%. Ranging from a low of $16.44 to a high of $18.43. Although the price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 10.64% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which often indicates a healthy market as volume typically follows price movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 1 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $310,011,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $27.15, while the lowest price was 35.5 cents. Currently, the stock price is 38.34% or $10.41 below the 52-week high of $27.15, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Quantum Computing Incorporated, or QBT, has recently captured attention due to a series of noteworthy developments. On the 24th of June, the company successfully completed a private placement of common stock, securing $200 million in proceeds. This influx of capital is anticipated to enhance its cash position to over $350 million. Providing the company with greater financial leverage for research and development and potentially accelerating its growth initiatives in the competitive field of quantum computing. However, the stock has experienced volatility with a significant decline of over 10% reported on the 23rd of June. The market's response may be influenced by mixed opinions among analysts regarding the future of quantum computing, which is characterized by high volatility where stocks can fluctuate dramatically from day to day. Recent observations also indicate investigations into QBT's management practices, raising concerns about governance that could affect investor sentiment and stock performance. In the short term, while the influx of capital is expected to stabilize QBT's position, investor apprehension related to both corporate governance and broader market trends in the quantum sector could lead to ongoing price fluctuations. In the long term, QUBT's ability to leverage its strong cash reserves and navigate the evolving technological landscape will be critical in determining its market valuation and growth trajectory. Investors may need to consider the potential for substantial returns against the inherent risks of this high-stakes sector. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendiant assigned QUBT a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The stock of Quantum Computing Incorporated currently shows a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This indicates that since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $18.68. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $13.28. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, June 16, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 21.11%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots reflect a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 171 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. Now, if we examine the 12-month chart, we notice the short moving average reflects a sell signal from 40 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $15.13 and $13.31. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this situation, Quantum Computing Inc. has support just below today's level at $15.13. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $13.31 and $12.87. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, reflecting high volatility, and, with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.99 between its high and low, which is a change of 12.10%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 11.03%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of September, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $17.51. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before taking a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, quantum computing meets its first support level at $15.13. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Christopher Baimler, who bought and sold 351,152 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that insider power is positive, reflected in a ratio of 98.253. Overall, insiders purchased 25,597,233 shares and sold none in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.77, reflecting a decrease of 5.80%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a heightened level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of June, we anticipate that quantum computing will open higher by approximately 463 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $17.20. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.